Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
Your business really blows up. It really does, because you need that live piece. And that's why when I started this, initially I just gave access to the courses. $39.99. People was loving that. They was like, you mean we can watch all your stuff, Kimmi, for $39.99? Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Because I wasn't sure what I was doing when I started that mentorship program. I wasn't sure. Because people have been asking me for years to be their mentor, and I didn't see a way to make it work where I could still run my business, because I have my own business, right? None better. Mobile notary. I didn't know how I could run my business and do the mentorship program. And then about a week after I rolled it out, I told my husband, I said, you know what? I think I want to offer a live component. Because this year, I really want people to win. And the only way they're going to really win, yeah, the course is amazing. All the courses are amazing. If you want to just buy them, you can. They're 60% off when 2025 is the coupon, notaryeducatorsllc.com, right? But I said, I really want people to win. And I think in order for them to win, they got to talk to me. We got to talk to them. So I brought the whole team on, and we started doing that, and people have been winning, and it's just been so freaking amazing. So I want to see you come out of the back and come to the front of the class, okay? Unless you're working or something. I know you guys catch the replays, and you can catch the replay, but it ain't nothing like that live effect. It's just not. It's just not. But I'm glad you have access to everything, so you can choose what you want to do. There's no pressure, okay? Anita says she's in Missouri. Okay, cool. Missouri, and then Rashante's in North Carolina. So your state kind of works like our state does in the South. Daisha says, I work and wanted to watch all the lessons first. Okay, that's fair. That's why I said a lot of people do like to just kind of do their training in the back. But I'm so glad you're loving it. That's the point. That is the point. And when you're ready to come in the front or whatever, we got you. We're here. You see that, okay? But I'm glad you're enjoying the classes. I'm so glad. And Rashante's in North Carolina. Okay, cool. Daisha says, I'm on Alexis setting up the Google business page, but I'm going to go back and watch all of them again. Okay, cool. Yep. So it sounds like you are working the plan from behind the scenes. And I had it happen a lot. It's so funny. And I don't know if you're in the chat or not, Daisha. But just recently, it was somebody that made a comment in the chat. This is our private chat I'm referring to for members only. And in the chat, they put, yeah, I just did my second signing yesterday. And I was like, and they just put their initials AB. And I was like, who is AB? Because we have another AB, and that's Andrea. Shout out Andrea. And this person put in there, and they was like, oh, I'm loving the class. I'm loving the mentorship. And they left a 5-star review on Notary Educators Google page. And they just went on and on and on. And I was like, who is this? And that was Angela. And I was like, Angela, this other Angela, not our old Angela, the trainer. And I said, who is AB? And Angela put her, because I said, we want to give you a shout out. I mean, we want to, sing your praise or whatever. So she put in there. So she was like, it's Angela. And I said, girl, why you ain't tell us about these signings? So she been working on the back end, y'all, doing her thing. She got her business built out. She started taking signings and all this. So she didn't tell us nothing. Which you don't have to. It just, everybody's encouraged by your stories and your wins. And even when you're having your challenges, we all kind of come together and help each other. But it was just so funny. I said, girl, if you don't tell us who you are. So it was Angela. Shout out to Angela. All right, but very good. Sound like you are making some progress getting that business page set up. So we even help you do your Google page to the best of our ability. Now, there's a full course on that. It does take you step by step how to build out that Google page. So that's out there for you too. So I'll tell you a little bit about the mentorship program. So it includes all 16 courses, and all the way from Notarize Like a Pro, apostille, even it includes apostille training. Apostille training. If you want to buy all of this separate, you can, or individually, you can pick and choose. But the apostille is there, wedding officiant, remote online notary, every single part of the business, field inspection, and fingerprinting, I-9, every single thing you think you want to know is part of that. It's even some Canva in there. Now the Canva isn't a